Welcome back to the doghouse. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be mixing my fluffy slime with my shampoo slime. And I made my shampoo slime out of shampoo, conditioner, and shaving cream gel and bath paint, so it sticks to my hands a lot, so I just want to warn you. Alright, let's get to it. Oh dear. Okay, this was a fail, guys. OMG. Alright, I'll be back once it's all cleaned up. Okay guys, I am back and I cleaned up, oops, I'm filming on a selfie stick, so that's why it's a little bit turny. So I cleaned up my shampoo mess. Yes, so we're going to try something new. We're going to be doing my glitter slime with my fluffy slime. And if it ruins, I have paper towels here, so don't you guys worry. I don't think this is gonna work either.